You are my best friend, chill as the weekend. My all the time, partner in crime, always my last kiss.
Who are you?
Hi, my name is C. I am... For the longest time, she didn't know who she was.
What would you be without surfing?
Nothing. I would lose my spark. So right after work on Friday, I decided to book a flight and back to the ocean. Stay to the end if you want to watch me first time shark diving on my period. And also for amazing cute surf footage. Are we allowed to name drop?
No, let's not name drop. You gotta go beep.
So right now, the safe spot to longboard is beep.
You want it. I'm out of sight.
I feel like a tech viewer with this much cameras on me. You look crazy.
I completely forgot that my friend took my scooter out the other day, so half my fin was loose the whole time. I thought I might lose it, but it seems like God had other plans today.
It is so chilly out here. Girl, your fin is half off. Bro. You here? Living life on the edge.
Speaking of living on the edge, today we are going shark diving. And yes, I'm on my period.
Let's go shark diving on the North Shore. I think we're a little late. The boat's like already leaving. Whoops.
Wait.
There you go.
Is that the right boat?
Should we go to the shack or just go to the boat?
Oh, maybe. Is it a different boat?
How's it going? Tyler, nice to meet you. Good to meet you. Yeah, you guys on the dive? Yeah.
Not late.
I guess we're all
No, I
set.
think it's the other one.
Oh, okay, go
No, but the other one is named Abunai. You know what that means in Japanese?
Wait, please don't tell me something naughty.
It's just dangerous.
Oh,
Like,
wow.
oh, great.
I feel.
Does that mean we're going in dangerous waters?
Yeah.
We're going to Eden.
This is our last day. It's the first day seeing each other, but last day.
Last day on Earth.
I just met him.
I'm Will. I'm just a Halle boy, a little white skin. I got some poke. I'm a pretty mediocre surfer, but I love it.
I'm not sure how to describe him, so.
Jimmy
I'm
O'Brien.
gonna show you. He's a little fan. Look at him.
He's basically our son.
You guys aren't that much older than me.
Wow, it's kind of fast.
Oh my god, this is so fast. We lost them.
That's how we create waves. We sacrifice one whale a day.
One a day.
This is like all sand, and when the river gets really full, they need to like break it naturally to just like let it all out. So they'll have like people like digging it all out, and as like kind of gravity works and like the river pulls, I'll make like a standing wave. This is like the end of it, but like it'll actually be like a rippable wave that you can like surf. I kind of want like a boogie board to do like what the Groms are doing right now.
That's so cute.
You are a Grums. You're still growing.
You're 21.
Forever a
Basically
Grom.
girl.
I'm forever a Grom. If I didn't have surfing, I'd be depressed. Like surfing has like brought me so many places. Like I'm here because of it. Like 80 to 90% of my friends are like because of surfing. Made so many memories. Like my best memories are out in the water, and it's such like a cool, like surreal kind of feeling. I don't know, it just like makes me like super happy, and like when I'm stressed out, like going out in the water is just like a break from everything, and my mind can just like be at ease, and I can just like breathe and like be happy. That surf session was so sick. I got a compliment from this uncle. I paddled back out and he's like, "Oh brother, that was a sick wave there." And like, dude, my heart felt so warm after that. That was the highlight of my trip for sure. I've never got a compliment from an uncle like that before. I felt like I was ripping after that. I was like, oh, if the uncle thought I was ripping, then I might be ripping.
That's the only acceptance you need, is one uncle to tell you you did good.
Yes.
Or just like a smile from an uncle when you catch a wave, or like a nice one. You're like, oh, I'm good now. I can die happy.
I'm Reina. I am what am I?
She's my sister from another mister. If you want to know how we met, I've linked it in the top right corner. She's the kindest and most selfless woman I've ever met.
For the plane ride. Thank you.
She often jokes that whenever I visit, there are no waves, just wind. As a corporate woman, I only get to surf on the weekends.
What would I be if I didn't surf? I would definitely be more insecure, but I feel like surfing gave me a lot of confidence. I was told that I have zero physical ability to do any sports. Do shit, like you're artsy, that's what you do, you're artsy, but you're not athletic, that's not you. And I think like my first surf trip to Indonesia, everyone was like, oh, like you're so good, and I was like, I can be athletic. And I don't think I would have gotten that confidence.
That's
In a
crazy.
different sport.
You just went to surf trip last year.
Yeah.
You just realized that
I was
last year?
literally insecure for like the longest time.
For 28 years, man. Trauma.
Yeah, that's trauma. That's Asian trauma right there.
Back to shark diving. I am terrified.
We are going to diving with sharks today.
Are you ready? First time.
No, it might be our last day ever. Right now, she's signing her life away. What a great way to start the day.
Did you guys read the reviews?
No.
I know you guys booked with us, that's why I know you didn't read our reviews. They're not good. If not, you guys
We'll make it back, that's why there's no review.
Yeah, there's just no review.
I just got a reef cut last night. It is still an open wound, and I'm also on my period. Definitely feels like we are the bait.
I don't get it. He said what? He said I guess.
Basically,
Someone's paying attention. I love it. I guess.
yeah, we got a little blood. We got some bug bites. I know. I scratched. It was itchy. I'm sorry, Mom. It had to happen. Now we're going shark diving. Is that smart? I don't know. We'll find out.
Exactly. Find out.
Sorry.
Show me yours. Oh, she just got it the other day. Hers is deep. Hers is very
We'll
deep.
go down together.
Oh yeah, that's actually really funny.
Who has the deepest cut? We're gonna throw them in first.
Exactly. Well, okay, someone has to sacrifice for the team.
Yeah, we gotta sacrifice for the island.
For the island. Be respectful for the local.
There's a blue line you can hold on to next to the boat, and the guy lets you know when it's safe to dive. I was scared. But Will wasn't scared at all. Just look at him. At some point, he was actually quite close to the sharks. Just casually swimming with them. Look at how close he is. The guy told me it was my turn to dive, so I went for it. The sharks were further from the boat by then, and here's my first try. I couldn't go that deep. This is my second try.
got nervous, you know? Like, I thought that the sharks were gonna come after me and eat me alive, but I got all my fingers. See, look, no missing limbs. All my toes too. Hey, yo, that's extra content right there. Exclusive. You have to use the paywall. I was super sick. Like, I got super close to them and like really kind of interacted with them and like I felt like connected with nature, you know?
You're
pretty
crazy.
sick.
You're not scared at
You
all.
weren't scared,
I was scared.
but now you're not.
I'm still scared.
Why are you still scared? You made
I
it.
love them, but I'm still scared.
You got all your fingers.
True.
We're supposed to get our fish now if it's not sustainable.
Gotta go to Foodland, dog. Bro, Foodland, on the boat, they're hyping it up. Foodland's super sustainable.
They
So
say
know what?
Foodland's okay, so we can get Pokeballs at Foodland.
Dude, I'm gonna get the largest Pokeball. Know what the move is? You get a Pokeball, and then you get a papaya on the side. Papaya and Poke. So good.
I don't understand.
With the rice
Asian
though?
judgment is crazy right now.
Ding. Can I just have a salmon bowl?
I didn't get double. That's what I got. Why is no cheering? He's cheering. What would you be without surfing?
Probably be more career focused just because I grew up really competitively, especially in the Chinese culture. If the resources are limited and there's a big population, 100% you have to be the best just to survive. I think it's out of survival reason, most Chinese people just work really hard. But surfing is like the opposite of that perspective, that it's more about lay back and chill. That's something I'm still trying to work on. Being rich, wealthy, having status is not really my main focus. Or even getting married is not really my main focus anymore. It's just about
Rest in peace, your boyfriend.
Especially as a woman, it's like, what are you gonna do if you don't get married?
Exactly.
Right. Or how do you feel like your mom treats
Yeah.
marriage?
it's like literally your life purpose. And my mom was thinking that, oh, you can have a career, but after marriage, because now you're just a dying flower, how are you
Your
gonna?
mom said that to you?
Yes.
Like you're just aging.
You just age. You have no value toward a man.
Yeah, yeah.
Therefore, what are you doing? I know you love surfing. I know that gives you happiness, but what is happiness if you don't have a family?
Yeah, Chinese is really, really family focused. I feel like
Very
they
family focused.
take care of their family, but family is also everything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I feel like family is part of your status as well. I mean, she loves me so much that she just worried people would judge me that if I don't have a family or if I'm not married. But I don't think she understands that for me, I don't care what other people think.
Yeah, it comes from a place of love,
Yeah,
but it is
exactly.
different.
But for her, I feel like it matters too because she probably worry what people would think of her as a mom. Because
Yeah.
for her, it's a failure that if her daughter didn't get married, so she felt like she didn't complete her task as a mother.
Right. We're Americanized.
Is there a stereotype to get married at a certain age? And if so, what is that age?
Passed already.
28?
Really?
What, 20,
No, 25.
25?
So if you don't get married by 25, then it's like bad juju. Is it good to get married before 25? Is that like a good thing?
Safe bet. Like this woman will be okay. Will be fine.
How about if you marry young? Like if you're 19 or 20?
Too young.
Oh, okay.
From like 20 to like 24. And if you don't, then you're screwed.
No, they think 20 and 24 is young. Like my younger sister just got married. She's 24.
But you have to get married by.
And she considered getting
So you have a
married.
year window to get married?
Like what the? Yeah, now I think about it, it sounds crazy. You have
Damn.
1 year.
That doesn't make sense. Yeah.
I think there's a stereotype too where it's like, if you're a surfer, yeah, you are a bum. And like, you just like look down upon it. Like, I can't tell you how many people come up to me and like think I'm like a stoner because I surf. But I actually like don't smoke like at all. Honestly, surfing has driven my career. Like a lot of my connections like in business are like surfing like related or like connections and stuff. And you don't have to be like great at it. Like I'm a super mediocre surfer, but like I make a living off of it.
See that wave? See that wave right there? It's flat. That's where I'm gonna surf.
You guys are like Asian Blue Crush right now.
I've never seen Blue Crush. What is that?
Well, really?
You should watch it.
No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
no, I haven't.
Love the spot, but it's just tiny today.
It's perfect for my size. I love tiny waves.
She's a tiny girl.
So this technically will be overhead for me.
Yeah. Today looks really, really shallow though. So.
Yeah. I have a flight in a couple hours. I don't want to get hurt. This is our 2025 first adventure together, and the question I have for you is, What would I be without surfing?
That was the end of the vlog. It was super fun. I'll see you next time.
This is a girl with the late takeoff in the white, black,
The black rash guard.
black rash guard, black wetsuit.
Okay.
Remember that song? We take that way? I love it. I'm training to be a mom.
One day. Next year, maybe. Can we still be friends? Oh, your kids will be so cute.
What if they're like, Mom, I don't want to go surfing?
That's not your son. You give it back. When you're doing this, it looks so pretty. Yeah. Now it's a little big sister's vibe. You're cooking for me.
Asian girl struggles to use chopsticks.
Wow, perfect.
Okay, bye.